Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nisha. Welcome to the new video. Today we will learn the second part of parts of speech, which is pronoun. And we will go to the depth of pronoun. So let's start the video. So we have already learned about pronoun. What is pronoun? So pronoun is the word which we use for noun. So we have here 5 types of pronoun. First is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive or emphatic pronoun, indefinite pronoun and interrogative pronoun. So I have made here a table of personal, possessive and reflexive pronoun so that we can understand it through the help of this table. So personal pronoun we use as a subject or object. So here is the subject, I, we use it, and I का object है me. Okay, you का object we use you, he का him, she, her, it, we, us, and in possessive pronoun I का possessive हम use करते हैं my and mine in possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, and in reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun we use myself. Okay, तो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में सेल्फ और सेल्व्स आ जाता है और पजेसिव में वी यूज माइन, योर्स, हिज, हर्स, अर्स, योर्स, देयर्स. ओके, so let's move. So personal pronoun, what is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun is that I am a teacher. So this is a subject pronoun. Here we have used I as a subject pronoun. He knows me. Okay, so he has used as a subjective pronoun and me has used as an objective pronoun here. So what we see common errors here, that he and me work together. Mostly we speak like this. Okay, so we never say like this. This seems unnatural. Instead we say he and I work together. So before a verb we always use subjective pronoun, not objective pronoun. Okay, always keep that in mind. Aman and me want to talk to you. So Aman and me, whenever we are talking about other person and we are putting other person as a subject and for ourselves as a subject, जब हम खुद को और किसी दूसरे second person को सब्जेक्टिव की तरह यूज करते हैं तो हमेशा हम सबसे पहले जो अदर पर्सन है यानी कि सेकंड पर्सन है उसको पहले लगाते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि अमन मैंने पहले यूज किया, देन मी, ओके, एंड मी, बट मी एज, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला कि व्हाट वी ऑलवेज डू, वी यूज subjective pronoun before a verb. Okay, before a verb we need to put subjective pronoun. So instead of using here me we will use I. So Aman and I want to talk to you. ठीक है. One more thing is that whenever we are talking about the second person for a work or taking an action or for anything else, तो what we do, we need to put first that person. Okay, पहले हम उस person को रखेंगे आगे. After that we will put ourselves for the sake of respect. It's a kind of respect. Okay. The professor wants to meet me and you. Here I am talking. Okay, मैं बोल रही हूँ ये बात. तो that's why the professor wants to meet you and I. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Wants to meet you and I. मुझको और तुमको प्रोफेसर मिलना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम यहाँ पे भी ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में हम आई बोलेंगे. ओके, और आप देखना कि यू जो वैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था दैट वी विल यूज यू एज अ सेकेंड पर्सन फर्स्ट, देन आई विल पुट माई सेल्फ. ओके, फॉर वी शो रिस्पेक्ट हेयर. Okay, so here is the one more common error we make. She is taller than me in comparative degree. We speak like that, ना, और हमें बहुत natural सा भी लगता है ये, but it's not correct. Grammatically, it's an incorrect. So what we need to do? She is taller than I. We never say she is taller than me. No, she is taller than I. Okay. सेकेंड वी हैव हियर पजेसिव प्रोनाउन. पजेसिव प्रोनाउन क्या शो करता है? एक तो पोजेशन शो करता है, ओनरशिप शो करता है कि वो उसकी चीज है या ओके या मेरी चीज है. तो दिस बुक इज माइन, ये बुक मेरी है, ठीक है। कहाँ पे जोर दे रहे हैं हम? माइन पे, कि मेरी बुक है ये, ओके। दिस बुक इज हर्स, हाँ अब फिर से यहाँ पे कॉमन एरर क्या है? हर्स। तो जब भी हम ऐसे बोलते हैं तो दिस इज रॉन्ग, वी नेवर पुट हर्स, एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस नहीं लगाना है हमने इसमें, ओके। तो व्हाट वी कॉल, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग हेयर possessive pronoun, so what, how we will speak it? This book is hers without apostrophe, okay. That idea is theirs, so what we do, we use it alone, we do not use apostrophe s, okay. We will not say that idea is theirs, wo unka idea hai. It is itself showing the possessive behavior or possessiveness, कि वो उनका आइडिया है। द डॉग वेग्ड इट्स टेल, तो किसकी टेल है? डॉग की है ना। तो व्हाट वी विल से, द डॉग वेग्ड इट्स टेल, वी विल नॉट से इट्स, वी विल नॉट पुट एपोस्ट्रोफी एस हियर, वी विल यूज पॉजिटिव नाउन। जब भी हमें ये लगता है कि वो whenever you are speaking about that about the possession with the thing, तो always we will use possessive pronoun without apostrophe s, okay. Third, we have reflexive pronoun or emphatic pronoun. Why we call it emphatic pronoun? Because reflexive pronoun जो है, सबसे पहले तो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन जो है, इसमें सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट एक ही होता है, एक ही बंदे के बारे में बात होती है, ठीक है। वी टॉक अबाउट ओनली वन पर्सन, यू कांट टॉक अबाउट हियर अबाउट टू पर्सन्स, ओके। यू कांट ब्रिंग हियर सेकंड पर्सन इन रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन और एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन। एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि हम इसमें एम्फेसिस देते हैं, एम्फेसाइज करते हैं, ओके। अच्छा, आई माई सेल्फ विल टीच यू, मैं खुद तुम्हें पढ़ाऊंगी, मैं खुद पढ़ाऊंगी तुम्हें। तो मैं यहाँ पे किस में जोर दे रही हूं? कि मैं पढ़ाऊंगी तुम्हें खुद, ओके। तो माई सेल्फ है ना, आई माई सेल्फ विल टीच यू। ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हिमसेल्फ टू द क्लास, उसने खुद को क्लास में इंट्रोड्यूस किया, ओके। तो ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हिमसेल्फ टू द क्लास, हियर वी आर गिविंग द emphasis on himself, खुद को, इसलिए हम इसको emphatic pronoun भी बोलते हैं। I'll do it myself, मैं खुद करूंगी इसको, ओके। I will, तो here I and here is myself, तो both are the same person, है ना। ये सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट सिर्फ एक ही पर्सन के लिए यूज हुआ है, दैट इज वी कॉल इट रिफ्लेक्स, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन। अब कॉमन एरर्स, माई सेल्फ इज निशा, नो इट्स रॉन्ग, वी don't say like this, okay. Whenever you introduce yourself, we always say my name or this is, okay. So my name is Nisha, this is correct, this is not correct, this is correct, okay. They will do it themselves, हाँ अब एक और चीज है, that their selves, they will do it themselves, maximum we speak like that, they will do it their selves, no their selves तो होता ही नहीं है, this does not exist, this word doesn't exist, ये pronoun होता ही नहीं है। तो they के साथ they को क्या reflect कर रहा है? themselves, okay। तो we call themselves, they will do it themselves, we don't say they will do it their selves, okay, no। Aman and myself are going to submit the assignment, तो as I already told you that reflexive pronoun में we use only one person, okay, I, so Aman and myself are going to submit the assignments, no we don't say like this, okay। What we will use here, Aman and I are going to submit the assignment, okay। अच्छा, ourself, themself, their selves, I already told you don't exist, so don't use it। So we never say that we will do it ourselves, no, we will say we will do it ourselves, ourselves, S-E-L-V-E-S, okay। Next we have indefinite pronoun, so indefinite pronoun are everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody, everyone, someone, no one, anyone, everything, etc. ये होते हैं हमारे indefinite pronoun। सबसे पहले तो ये everyone, everybody, somebody and anyone, something we use as a singular, okay। singular की तरह हम इनको use करते हैं, everyone knows her, okay, this is correct, we will not say everyone know her, no, everyone is singular, हर कोई उसको जानता है, तो हर कोई में एक, हाँ। everyone should bring his or her book, not everyone should bring his or her book, we don't know whether we are talking about a female or male, okay, so that's why I have put here his or her। तो दिस इज राइट, ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं. आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम मेनी पीपल, एवरीवन शुड ब्रिंग देयर बुक्स. नो, एवरीवन इज singular subject, that's why we will use his or her book based on the male or female. So everyone should bring their books. No, we call it everyone should bring his book or her book. Everybody have finished their work. everybody as I already told you, या तो हम everyone use करते हैं या फिर हम everybody use करते हैं. तो everybody is also a singular. तो everybody, this is wrong. Always remember it. Their work नहीं आएगा. Okay? तो everybody have, no, have नहीं आता इसमें. Everybody क्योंकि singular है तो what we do? Everybody has finished his or her work. Okay? Neither of the girls are ready. तो neither क्या है? This is neither or either is also we used as a singular. तो neither of the girls are ready. No, this is wrong. We say neither of the girls is ready. क्योंकि neither and either are singular pronoun होते हैं, बल्कि वो singular pronoun ही होते हैं, even though they refer to two people or things. वो दो चीजों के लिए और दो लोगों के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं, but वो singular ही होते हैं. That's why we use singular verb. Okay, singular auxiliary verb. Either of them are right. No, it's wrong. Either of them is right. उनमें से कोई एक सही है. Somebody were calling you. तो somebody is a singular. तो that's why we will put singular. Somebody was calling you. This is right. Nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows nothing. अच्छा, I have seen many people speaking like that. This is unnatural, though it seems natural, but it's unnatural. Why? Because first of all, nobody is a singular subject, that we know. And nobody is itself a negative. Okay, negative word. ये negative word होता है. Okay, ये पहले खुद ही negative word है. तो nobody knows. तो we won't say nobody knows nothing. No, we don't say like this. No one says nothing in the session. तो no one, जैसे nobody है उसी तरह से no one भी है. तो no one, this is wrong. Okay, and this is also wrong. तो no one says anything, nothing. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? We will not put nothing because no one and nothing. No one is itself a negative word. So we do not need to use not, nothing, never. Okay? What we use? No one says anything in the session. किसी ने कुछ नहीं कहा session में. Okay? So this is right. So always remember that we never use nothing, not, never with nobody, no one or none. The last we have interrogative pronoun. So what is interrogative pronoun? Interrogative words we have who, when, whose, what, which. So we use it for asking the question. So first of all, who is who or when का हम subject और object में use करते हैं. No, whom, sorry. It should be whom. अच्छा, whom का हम कहाँ use करते हैं? ऑब्जेक्टिव की तरह यूज करते हैं. ओके, हु इज यूज टू फाइंड द सब्जेक्ट. हम हु का यूज करते हैं व्हेन वी फाइंड द सब्जेक्ट, व्हेन वी आस्क द क्वेश्चन हु इज दिस. ओके, तो ही इज कमिंग टू द, दिस इज द आंसर एंड वी हैव यूज्ड हियर हु इज कमिंग टू द पार्टी. कौन आ रहा है पार्टी में? ओके, so that's why we use who as a subject and whom we use as an object. Okay, he has invited his friend. Okay, तो question क्या होगा? Interrogative में who नहीं आएगा because we always use who as a subject interrogation and whom we use as an object interrogation sentence. Okay, so whom has he invited? Whose is used to find out the owner. अब हम find out the owner means कि किसकी कार है. ठीक है, तो the car is mine, मेरी कार है. तो whose is that car? तो here we use whose is that pen. Which is used to find both subject, which का हम दोनों चीजें में यूज कर लेते हैं. Subject as a subjective pronoun और an objective pronoun. और which का यूज हम करते हैं for the selection or choices. Specific होता है which का यूज. Specific कैसे होता है कि where you need to choose from the two things or more than two things. तो which is your book, तुम्हारी कौन सी बुक है ना. what is used for first, what is used for नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स और एक्शन, जैसा कि हमको पता है. तो what is there, what has happened. अब what is the difference between which and what, how can we use it. तो which, as I already told you, which we use as in specific use, specific choice के लिए, ठीक है. और what we use as as generally. What do you want to buy, unlimited options जहां पे हो, when you where you have unlimited option, then we use what to buy. कौन सी चीज तुम्हें इनमें से चाहिए. Okay. But when we have limited option, two things or more than two things, then we will use which. Okay. Which do you want to buy, कौन सी तुम्हें खरीदनी है. कॉमन एरर क्या देखते हैं हम, who did you meet yesterday. No, who did you meet yesterday. तो this is wrong. Whom did you meet yesterday. तो here we will use whom as in whom did you meet yesterday. तो whom, as I already told you, that whom we use an objective. किसको तुम कल मिले थे. what book do you want. No, we will use here which, because which is used for selective things or specific things. whose this bag is, तो is जो है it will come here. whose bag is this. Okay, so these are the common errors. I hope you find this video useful for you. Thank you for watching.